Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So in today's video we'll be recreating this mini bag. So without a waste of time, let's start with our video. So for our today's video, we're gonna start with two size of beads, being 8 mm as well as 10 mm, and the thread that we're gonna use is 0.6, and the name of the thread is called crystal string, okay, as well as our scissors. So to begin with, you're gonna wrap your thread on your palms around 20 times, then you cut with your scissors. So the pattern that we're gonna go for today is our usual pattern, whereby you start by adding your 4 beads. So the first beads that we're going to use for our body bag is going to be the bigger ones, which is our 10 mm, right? So you're going to start with your 4 beads, putting them on any side that you prefer. Then you cross with the last bead on your right? Then you cross, then it should be something like this. So we're going to make 4 of this, then we start building our sides of the bag, because I saw also the review of the bag, because I took the inspo from AliExpress. So I saw that the review was saying you should bear in mind that this bag is a very mini bag, right? So but before we go into the review, we're just gonna do this until we have about 4 of it. I hope if you've been watching my videos up to so far, you know how we bead, right? So because the thread kept on tangling, so I decided to go ahead and make it off camera, because it was really getting too much, and also it kept on rolling itself. It wasn't like becoming straight. So as you can see that when you count, it's for your side is 4, as well as your bottom is 4, right? So this is the first layer of our body bag. So now I'm going to move into our second layer, right? So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Nolo, and here in this channel I dedicate this channel to DIYs. So if you love DIYs, you like recreating some things, you like saving the coins, this is the best channel for you. And if you are new here, as well as my returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you guys so much for the support. Okay, so now that we are done with our body bag, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna take the very same thread that we have been using and pass it into all the beads that are on the top, all of them. So we're going to pass it until it reach on another side, as you can see me doing now. Then from there, you're going to pull both of your thread. As you can see, we pass our thread from one end to another end, right? Then you're going to pull both of your thread like so. As you can see that the opening is becoming into a circular shape, an oval shape to say. Then you make your double knots, okay? Then from there, we're going to attach our handle. So attaching our handle, we're going to make use of 8 mm. So we're going to use the bead size 8 mm. Okay, so now we are done with our bag. So as I was reading the review says please keep in mind that this is a very small bag. Then it continues and it says the bag itself look like a toy. So I now know what they mean. So we did it and the review is very true. So what you can do with this bag, you can use it as a key holder. So yeah guys, thank you so much if you have been watching this video up to so far. See you on my next video. So bye.